If you're planning a visit to Bannerghatta National Park, you simply can't skip this video. In the next few minutes, we will take you on a complete journey through everything the park has to offer, including the zoo, the thrilling jungle safari, and the beautiful butterfly park. We will also share the best commuting options, how to avoid traffic hassles, where to buy tickets, and their prices. And to make your trip even better, we will recommend one great nearby spot where you can enjoy a satisfying breakfast or a full meal after your visit. So stay with us for the ultimate Bannerghatta National Park travel guide. So let's begin our virtual journey through the wild heart of Bannerghatta National Park. As we step into this lush green paradise, the natural world slowly unfolds around us. Peaceful, powerful, and absolutely captivating. The calm is soon broken by the commanding presence of the tiger. Here we see a tiger lying down. After a while, it slowly sits up strong and graceful. Then it lifts one leg and scratches its ear, just like a big cat relaxing. And suddenly, it lets out a big yawn, showing its sharp teeth and long tongue. A simple movement, but truly powerful. The tiger looks calm, but you can feel its strength. A little further, a lioness is sitting and looking straight toward our vehicle. She looks calm, confident, and aware, as if she is giving us a perfect pose. Quiet but royal presence. Next, we spot a nilgai standing and chewing grass peacefully. It seems relaxed and undisturbed, just enjoying its moment in the open wild. And then comes a surprise, a bear walking with playful energy. With every few steps, it rotates its neck in a full circle. It almost looks like it's performing, bringing a smile to everyone watching. In the distance, we notice giraffes stretching their long necks to eat leaves from the tall trees. In another moment, we see them walking slowly, tall, gentle, and graceful. It's like watching a calm rhythm of the jungle. Nearby, a group of ostriches is enjoying their food. One of them is already pecking at the ground, while another slowly joins in. They stand side by side, quietly sharing their space, a simple and peaceful scene. Just ahead, we come across a group of zebras, around 8 to 10 of them. Their black and white stripes shine beautifully in the open. Some are still, others walk slowly, but all of them look calm and connected. It's a quiet, striking moment. In another quiet corner, we see two deer. One is standing alert and aware of its surroundings. The other sits peacefully on the ground, calm and still. Nothing loud, just nature in its most peaceful form. A short while later, we noticed elephants in the zoo area. They were standing calmly, moving gently. One of them picked up a stick with its trunk and held it just below, as if wearing a moustache. It was playful and funny, a moment that made everyone smile and laugh. Moving along, we saw a leopard resting silently. Then it turned its neck and looked straight at us. Just one glance, but filled with power and alertness. During the safari, deep in the jungle, we had a special moment. A white tiger was sitting comfortably under the trees. It looked strong and peaceful, like a guardian of the forest. Watching it from a distance felt like witnessing something rare. While coming out of the safari, we had one last surprise. A lion was sitting quietly at the side of the road, calm, strong, and completely at ease. As we watched, the lion slowly blinked one eye toward us, as if saying goodbye in his own royal style. It was a perfect end to a truly memorable journey through Bannerghatta's wild world. After the thrilling wildlife ride, it's time to shift gears and step into something calm and magical. Just beside the wild, you will find a peaceful scape, the Butterfly Park at Bannerghatta. As you walk toward the entrance, the path is clean, green, and full of charm. The gate welcomes you into a whole new world. soft music of flowing water, fluttering wings, and pure calmness in the air. House of Butterfly. The dome is beautifully designed, covered with plants, flowers, and open space for butterflies to fly free. The moment you step in, you'll feel like you have entered a live painting. Everywhere you look, there are butterflies of different colors and sizes, flying, resting, or simply floating around you. If you are lucky, one might even sit on you, and that moment feels truly special. From common murmur to common crow and the bright grass yellow, you'll witness nature's art up close. These zoom shots give us a glimpse of their wings, each one like a delicate masterpiece. You can observe them closely, fluttering from flower to flower, resting on leaves, or flying in pairs. If you look carefully, you may even spot butterflies mating or even eggs laid on the leaves. Some butterflies can be seen gently sipping juice from the natural and artificial flowers placed across the dome. These feeding spots are well crafted, helping butterflies stay nourished while giving us a perfect view of their behavior. At the heart of the dome is a small waterfall flowing in a peaceful font. The sound of trickling water adds to the calm. Inside the pond, you'll spot colorful fishes, orange, white, yellow, blue, swimming slowly and adding life to the scene. It's a moment of pure relaxation, the kind you'll want to capture and remember. After this nature walk, you'll step into the museum section. Here, beautiful aquariums hold fishes of different shapes and colors. Each tank is carefully arranged, keeping small and large fishes separate so every fish is safe and active. It's peaceful and educational at the same time. A quick look around shows how well everything is maintained, from the greenery to the glass tanks. Every corner feels cared for. One thing that touched me the most, I learned that the average life of a butterfly is just 7 days. After their natural life ends, they are carefully preserved and displayed in beautiful frames here. It's not just a park, it's a place to feel calm, connect with nature, and learn something new, especially if you are coming along with kids. If you enjoyed this peaceful side of Bannerghatta, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us keep exploring, sharing more travel moments with you. Now, let's talk about how to reach this wonderful place. Bannerghatta National Park is located just around 46 kilometers from the Whitefield, Bangalore, which makes it easy to reach. But let me be honest, you do need to plan around traffic, especially if you are visiting on weekends or holidays. We went by our own car, and though the drive was smooth in parts, traffic slowed us down as we got closer. If I visit again, I definitely prefer taking a BMTC bus. It's direct, stress-free, and drops you right at the main entrance of the park. So if you're planning a visit, I highly recommend taking the bus. It saves time, avoids parking hassles, and lets you begin your day without stress. Once you arrive, your first stop will be the ticket counter. There you will get to choose between a bus safari or a jeep safari. Both are fully covered and secured with mesh netting from for safety point of view. So whether you are in a group or with family, you'll feel comfortable and safe. Also, for your convenience, tickets can be booked online in advance from the official Bannerghatta National Park website. I have shared the link in the description. Booking ahead can save your time in queues, especially during weekends. Since we left early from home, we decided to stop for breakfast just outside the park entrance. There's a lovely restaurant named Fine Dine. The ambience was fresh and welcoming, and the food absolutely worth it. I tried their aloo paratha and puri sagu, and I must say that aloo paratha was probably one of the best I had in Bangalore. So far, warm, flavorful, and just what you need before a nature-filled day. It's a perfect spot for both early birds and families looking for good food before the adventure. And before we left the park, we took a stroll through the local market nearby. It's a small yet colorful place. You'll find soft toys, local snacks, souvenirs, and some daily use items too. We picked up a few cute things, just little reminders of the day. And honestly, this visit to Bannerghatta will always stay fresh in my heart. Not just because of the animals or butterflies, but because it's a place where nature, food, and calmness come together beautifully. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. Bye. See you again.